Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making chopped suey. I really like this recipe because not only is it loaded with veggies, it is also full of flavor, and I can't wait to share this recipe with you. But before we do that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below so you can follow our journey. These are the ingredients for the recipe. You can find them down below on the description box, and you can also find them on the next screen for the exact ingredients. Before we begin, we'd like to ask for your support. Please subscribe to our channel so that we can make more videos like these. And don't forget to hit the like button and share our videos. Thank you so much for your support. Let's begin. We'll start off by chopping off all the veggies. We're going to do the carrots, snow peas, red and green bell peppers, the celery, cabbage, baby corn, broccoli, and the cauliflower. Next, we're going to heat up some oil in a pan. Then we're going to add our onions and we're going to cook them until they become transparent. Next, we're going to saute the garlic until it's golden brown. At this point, we're going to add the chicken and we're going to cook it until it's golden brown while stirring constantly. Now we're going to season it with fish sauce or patis and soy sauce. We're going to keep stirring it until the chicken has absorbed all the flavors. At this point, we're going to add water and let it cook for 45 minutes on low heat or until the meat is fork tender. Once the meat is fork tender, we're going to add the Knorr chicken powder. Then we're going to add the carrots first as they take longer to cook. This is where we add the cornstarch to thicken the sauce. Then we're going to put the lid back on and let the carrots steam on low heat for a couple of minutes. At this point, we're going to add all the remaining veggies, the snow peas, the cauliflower, broccoli, celery, baby corn, red and green bell peppers, and the cabbage. We're going to let them steam again for another couple of minutes on low heat. After the veggies have steamed, we will add salt and pepper to taste. But since we've already added the fish sauce, the soy sauce, and the Knorr chicken powder, I suggest doing a taste test first and see if more salt is needed. Otherwise, you can hold off on it. This next step is optional. We're adding boiled quail eggs and we're using canned quail eggs. Finally, our chop suey is ready. As always, it tastes better with rice because rice is life.
Yum!
Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click on one of the thumbnails on the screen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow our channel. And if you enjoy our videos, click the like button. Thank you so much and happy cooking!